Hi, you are watching Being Mathematician. Today, we're going to discuss most common misconceptions in percentage. Now we choose different practical word problems and discuss the confusions through that problem. So without any further delay, let's get started the video. Let's see the first problem for first confusion. If A's height is 20% less than that of B, comma, how much percentage B's height is more that of A? Now, let's see the first step of the solution. Let B's height be 100 and A's height be 100 minus 100 into 20 by 100, that is 20% of the 100, that means 20. So A's height is 80. Now step 2, most of the students doing wrong in step 2. Now we have to point out the confusion of a student in step 2. Most of the students do 100 minus 80, that is the total decrease height, that is 100 minus 80, and now divided by 100 into 100. Many students do this because their confusion that they can't able to observe the statement properly, that part of the statement that more that of A. So here this part is very important, that of A. That means you should not write B's height, that is B's height is 100, B's height in the denominator. So the correct answer will be 100 minus 80 divided by 80, because the A's height is 80 and the percentage is into 100. That means it will be 20 by 80 into 100. So correct answer is 25%. Now move to our next confusion. Our second problem is a number is decreased by 10% and then increased by 10%. Find net increase or decrease percentage. Let's see the solution. First of all, let the original number be 100. So after 10% depreciates of 100, it will be 100 into 1 minus 100 by 10 by 100, that is 90. Now some students do the wrong steps in second steps, that is the question is, in the question it is And then this part is very carefully observed that at then many students doing that time, that is 100 into 1 plus 10 by 100, that will be 110. They use here that original number, but in the question it will be then. That means you have to increase 10% on 90. So the correct step is 90 into 1 plus 10 by 100, and that will be 99. Now most of the students do after that doing in next step, that is 99 minus 90 divided by 100 into 100, that will be 9%. Here they choose initial value, that is 90, instead of the original value 100. So it is a very wrong step, lack of conception. Number 2, most of the students doing 99 by 100 into 100 equal to 99%. Here the students don't understand to calculate the net increment or depreciation on the whole. Here they forget to calculate the difference in net in whole calculations. So let's see the correct step to complete the problem. Therefore, to calculate the net change, here depreciations, we have to subtract 99 from 100. Subtract 99 from 100, that will be 1. So the percentage of depreciation, equal to 1 by the original number, that is 100, into 100, and the final answer is 1%. That will be the correct answer. Let's see our third application to discuss the next confusions of percentage. The problem is, a man gave 30% of his money to his elder son and 40% of the remaining to his younger son. Full stop. Now he left with rupees 11700, that means 11,700. How much money had he? Now we start the solution. First of all, let the total money of the man be X. So clearly his elder son got X into 35 by 100, that is 35 X by 100. Now In next step, we observe the confusion of the students or conceptual error of the students in the sum. Let's discuss the confusions first. Many students doing in next step, that is younger son got x into 40 by 100, that is 40x by 100. Here they do not able to observe the line in the question, that is 40% of the remainder. So now see the correct step of the solution. So in the question, 40% of the remainder of remaining. So we find the remaining money of the man. So therefore the remaining money will be x minus 35x by 100. Since elder son got 35x by 100 and the remaining money is 65x by 100. And now we calculate the 40% of the remainder. 40% of the remainder got younger son. So younger son got 65x by 100 into 40 by 100, and that will be 26x by 100. And now we observe he left with this word, he left with. That means here we calculate the remaining money of the man. Elder son got 35x by 100 and younger son 26x by 100. So the remaining money will be is x minus 35x by 100 plus 26x by 100, and it will be 39x by 100. And by the problem, this money is equal to rupees 11700. So by the problem, 39x by 100 equal to 11700. So x is equal to 11700 into 100 divided by 39, and therefore x will be rupees 30,000. 39 300 is 11,700. So the final answer is 30,000. I think you should be careful while doing percentage problem. I expect you have cleared your misconceptions in percentage and ready to give a powerful performance in solving problems. Please comment if this video is really helpful or not. And to get more interesting videos, subscribe this channel Being Mathematician and press the bell icon.